Good everyone. My name is Famous, and today I'm going to be talking about Google AdSense. So my pin actually arrived yesterday. So what I'm going to be doing in this video is on how to insert the Google AdSense pin. So I hope someone could also learn from this my video. So I'll show you now. So this is my interface, my Google AdSense now. For sure, what is Google AdSense for as a YouTuber or as a content creator? So just Google AdSense is just like an application that mostly you receive payment. It's a system by which you get payment. So if you have a website, if you have a YouTube channel, what happens is Google runs ads on your YouTube as long as you're monetized on YouTube, and so Google run those ads that is being run on your YouTube and those ads that are run on your website. From there, then Google pays you, and this is the portal by which you receive your payment. So that's what just Google AdSense is. So I've been monetized for a while now. So, but you, even if you're monetized, you can't receive your payment. The only place you can receive your payment is through this Google AdSense, and you have to insert. There's something they call a pin. So after monetization, you have to apply for PIN. It normally takes 2 to 4 weeks, but mine took almost actually it took 10 weeks. So because I applied on the 5th of January and it arrived 16th of March. So actually 10 weeks or so. So now this is it. My AdSense I have to verify. So display that say verified, then I'll have to insert the pin. So and then I'll click submit. So say yeah, your billing address has been verified. So this is as simple as it can get or as it can be. So it has been verified. So now I am. What's this? Okay. Now we for this one. Let's see. I think if I refresh now, it's going to. Okay, you see that it's off already. So now, I think last year towards November, YouTube, there was a notice that almost all content creators will be taxed. So I think it started with the US last year, but this year they are taking it global. So for every YouTube creator, we have to insert our uh, tax information so that they can take their tax from every payment you receive. But if you refuse to do that, I think they've said they're going to automatically remove 34% from your channel by the 1st of May. So I have to uh, do mine now. I don't know. I haven't done this before, so if I can do that, fine. If I can't do that, I will make another video to continue. So, let me start from here. Um, okay, United States start to find it. Please answer a few questions. What type of account is America? It's an individual account. An individual account. Are you a citizen or resident of the U.S.? No. So I select W tax form. Based on your previous select blah 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 blah. This form is not is most commonly used by non-US individuals and would also be used to claim tax treaty benefit. This form is mostly used by a non-US business, okay, non-US individuals. So that's it. Just give Nine. So, citizen, Nigerian. Now, this part is okay. A tax payer identification thing is a tax proceeding number required by the IRT for some tax. Uh, yes, I don't know much about that. Foreign tax don't include any of other foreign personal blah 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 blah. Blah. If you have this, I think I don't know much of it. I think US tax. Optional unless you are claiming a tax free. Let's continue and see. So permanent address the address I use okay now I have to my address for back home is equal 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 transfer equal transfer transfer login transfer login Nikon insurance Nikon insurance building building Nikon insurance building Muhammad Mu- Mu- Muhammadu Muhammadu Buhari way Muhammadu Buhari highway Muhammadu Buhari highway uh, uh, central 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 area central area Abuja central area Abuja 2349000 I think that's postal code postal code I put there okay 90211 it's capital capital territory so same as permanent address yes yep so continue are you claiming a reduced rate of withholding this I don't know about the US tax law may impose a 30% withholding tax on payment that are considered US source no resident of the country claiming to no are you claiming a this tax may be reduced or eliminated for any payee that qualifies under. I'm not claiming that. So I confirm. So this am I need to be sure this information out. Nikon Insurance, Nikon Insurance Building, okay, Abuja Federal Capital, same as Minute Request. Okay. Um, yes, confirm that I have received the general tax, the generated tax document to the best of my. Okay, yes. Are you the person listed in the signatures section? Yes, I am the person listed in the signatures section. I am completing this form on my own behalf. Yeah. So it's just like a signature to send your signature that yes, you respond to what happened. So as an individual entity, find the activities for Google within the US, no. I certified that the service provided to Google is available to perform solely outside the UA and that yes. So I am providing tax info for a new or existing payment provider that hasn't. I'm providing tax for a existing that has previously received that hasn't received. No, I haven't received. So I think I have answered this info to the best of my knowledge. So this one says approved. My address is approved. So if you hit submit a new form. So the tax and withholding, I think I'm done already. Certification of non. What's this one? Can I see this? Let me see it. Certification of non-US. Oh, just like yeah, I certify that the service provided to Google or its affiliate will be provided solely outside the US, and that any labor or capital, including facilities or other tools used to provide such services, will be physically located outside the US. So that is the agreement. Um, so I think I'm done. I think I'm done with the tax thing. Why is this showing me this? Why is this showing me that? Submit info. I can submit info. I think maybe I'll have to give it time. But should I say dismiss? Maybe I'll give it time. But that's my tax. I've done my tax. So yeah, I've been able to show you guys two things: how to insert the pin, then how to get your tax uh, uh, form filled because you need to do it before the 1st of May if you are already monetized on YouTube. But if you don't do that, 36% will be removed automatically. So that's how to get it done. The pin and the tax. So we know everybody have different journey in this YouTube, but I think I had a few questions that I was asked by one of my subscribers. One of them asked was the question was how long did it take me to get to this level? Okay, I started YouTube full time 2020 August 5th, and today is March 17th. 2021. So it's almost like, if you put it together, it's like 7 months and let's say 2 weeks. So it took me 7 months and 2 weeks to, because my process, I had to do content myself, I had to get subscribers myself, I had to get the watch time myself, so I didn't have to pay nobody for that. So I did everything myself. So it took me, I'll say, 7 months to get here. So then another thing for the Google AdSense, if you trying to get your PIN, you're going to see that after you submit application for your PIN to verify your account, you're going to see that they will tell you your PIN will arrive 2 to 4 weeks. But no, it no for mine. I think it arrived after 10 weeks, exactly after 10 weeks. So in all you do, you have to put all this time frame. You have to put them into consideration so that you are not over expectant. So then another thing I also encountered during the course of my YouTube journey is that number one, patient is you have to be very patient. Secondly, when I was creating my channel, there's an error, a major error I did, but I was able to work around it. Now, what was the error? Now, currently, you all know I'm in Philippines currently, so and I created the channel I created my Google, because normally if you have a Gmail account, means automatically you have a Google, you have a YouTube channel. That's how it is. So when I got here, there's the email I've been using for over like 10 years. So when I got to Philippines here, I started a YouTube channel with that same email. So it was later I realized when I was monetized, I get to realize that now, when I created that Google, that Gmail and the YouTube channel, it was recorded under Nigeria address, and now I am in Philippines. So, what does that mean? It means that everything I will be doing will be based on from Google application from YouTube. It's showing that my YouTube channel is domiciled in Nigeria, not in Philippines. Even though I'm making my content from Philippines here, it shows that it is still domiciled from it's still domiciled in Africa, Nigeria. And what does that mean for content creator? Or what does that mean for someone that is being monetized? Now, what it means that all my payment system will have to go through Nigeria, not Philippines, because initially when I wanted to insert my details here, I wanted to insert my account details here in Philippines, but I was told that since my channel was created in Nigeria, there's no way I could insert my address here in Philippines and my because and already the address I used in my YouTube channel was already there. So there was no way I could change from Nigerian address to Philippine address. So what I'm trying to tell new content creator is you have to be sure of where you have to create your channel in where you are domiciled, where you know you're staying for at least that's where you're staying for the time being. Now I have another YouTube channel. Now that YouTube channel, it's domiciled here because I created the channel here. So that means I can insert my account details from the Philippines here. So that's what it means. So I want a new YouTubers. You should take note of that information. It's very, very important. You can't change your address within one country to another country. You can only change it within the same country, but not from Nigeria. Then I change my address to Philippines. No, it means that you have to create another channel. So what happened is when I discovered that it was already too late because I had already put in the work. I was already monetized. I've already hit the threshold and everything. So what I had to do is I still had to use my details back home in Nigeria. So that's one thing I want new YouTubers to be sure of before they start working on their channel, before they start working on their watch hour and their subscription. You have to be sure where your YouTube channel is domiciled. So that is it for today. I hope you've learned a few things from this one. More content will be coming your way, and thank you for being there.